Thanks for tuning into Stocks with Antonio. Making this video Saturday night, and man, is it a cold night here in Florida. Let me know where you're from and how cold it is. Usually, Florida is known for nice weather, but we're getting definitely a cold night, very windy. Some of you watching this, you know what I'm talking about because you're from Florida. But let's get into it about the stocks. I woke up Saturday morning and what a sell off I saw on crypto. I saw Ethereum and it was under $2,400. So I was like shocked, right? I checked crypto, huge sell off. Usually, what I've noticed is when crypto sells off, also the stock market sells off. Now, we saw a sell off on Thursday, Friday, and with this sell off that I saw over the weekend, if we don't get any good news, you know, over the weekend, we're probably going to see a sell off on Monday. Now, a lot of times when we see these strong sell off, people become fearful. Some retail investors start to sell off their shares even at losses because they panic. And I get it. No one likes to see their portfolio, right, go into the red. Nobody likes to see losses. But remember, you lose when you sell. If you haven't sold, you haven't lost yet because it can recover. Now, hopefully, you have some dry powder because, in my eyes, this is opportunity right here. This is a great time to buy some of your favorite stocks on these big dips. In 2025, in the month of April, we had a massive sell off, and then eventually the market recovered pretty quickly and we went to all new highs. In my opinion, I think that's what's going to happen in 2026. I look at these dips as opportunities. I believe we're going to recover and go higher in 2026. Now, remember, I'm not a financial advisor. I can't tell you what to buy, hold, or sell. I'm just sharing with you my opinion and what I'm going to be doing with my portfolio. Now, some of the stocks I'm going to be paying attention to, they're getting beaten down, but I believe will recover. First one is SOFI. SoFi just had their earnings. They did great with their earnings again. They've been doing well with their earnings. And I believe SoFi is the future of banking, right? So this stock not too long ago actually was over $30 a share and it's been getting beaten down. And last week it went all the way down to, I think, $23, $22. If this thing goes below $20 a share, I think it's a great entry point. Anything under $20, I believe you're going to be happy that you got in if you decide to. Now you're going to have to do your homework and see if it's a good fit for you, right? But if I already hold SoFi in my portfolio and if it goes under $20, I'm going to add more shares. I've been getting into SoFi shares since last year. I did sell some off. I did take profits because I got in around $13 a share and I sold around the $25, but I kept some shares at that $13 range. And now that it's pulling back, I'm going to be adding to some shares for my long term because I do both. I do short term and I do long term, right? I've been doing long term over 10 years and I've seen my portfolio really grow. So I really do believe in the stock market. I do believe it's a way for you people to build wealth. And in 2025, I decided to do short term trading. Now, I'm not a pro or anything, but I did pretty well in 2025, learned a lot, and I'm taking that with me into 2026. So SoFi, I believe it's a company that you're getting an opportunity as the market sells off to get an attractive price and see it go back up to $30. Now, SoFi doesn't run up as quickly as some of the other stocks, so just be aware that it is a slower mover, but it is a company that is doing well, and I believe it's going to continue to do well because in my eyes, it's the future. Now, a lot of people, when they see something new, they're hesitant to invest in it. But what I've seen from my experience, a lot of times when something new comes around, people don't like it because they don't like change. But guess what? The world's always changing, right? The world's if you're not keeping if you don't like change, you're gonna stay behind. So things that are coming into your life that you're seeing as new, sometimes those are the things that are gonna make people rich. And the next thing I'm gonna talk about is AI. AI, they talk about AI bubble. I don't think there's an AI bubble. Some people are going to disagree, but I believe AI is here to stay. Now, there could be some companies that are in AI that may go out of business, so you have to be careful of that. But I believe there's some companies that are going to stay around and are going to be a lot bigger down the road. And one of the stocks that I really like that I've seen grow a lot, which is in the data centers, is ticker symbol APLD. Applied Digital. This stock's been amazing. If you look at the charts back in 2025, it was trading under $10. And not too long ago, it hit a new high of over $40 a share. Now it's going down. Nothing wrong with the company. It's just going down with the rest of the market pretty much, right? Right now, it's under $34 a share. If this thing goes under $30 a share, I think it's a great opportunity. Now, it may revisit the $25 a share. If it gets beaten down that much, I think this is where you need to load up. I see this stock when things start to come back, I see it going right back to its 52-week highs. So if you can get it at $25 a share and it go back up to 40 before the end of the year, how much profit can you make? Well, it will depend obviously on how many shares you have, and there's no guarantee that this will happen, but that's a potential of a great entry point and making a lot of money short term, or even if you just want to have a good entry for long term, or both, right? So these are two stocks that I really believe in that right now are getting beaten down, that I see opportunity, that I'm going to be loading up in my portfolio. Now, again, just remember, I'm not a financial advisor, so this is not me telling you to buy these. I'm sharing with you. I think this is a buying the dip opportunity, and I'm going to be adding these into my portfolio. If these caught your interest, I gave you the ticker symbols, and I'm going to give them to you again. SOFI is SOFI. Now, I don't know if this one I forgot to give you the ticker symbol, but that's it. Definitely go ahead and use that to do some of your research. And the other one is APLD. Definitely put these on your radar. If you have the app on your phone, download these symbols, put them on your watch list. But I believe right now is going to be buying the dip opportunity. And this sell-off could continue into next week. I think Monday is going to be a red day. Now, it could change. I'm making this video Saturday night. And I did check Ethereum and Bitcoin, and they are going back up a little bit. Ethereum right now currently is above $2,400 a share. It was when I woke up this morning under 2,400. So maybe things do turn around, but I'm making this video Saturday night. We'll see what Sunday brings us. Now, this video, you probably won't be seeing it till I'm going to try and load it up Saturday night, but you may be seeing this Sunday. Let's see what happens. I'll be making another video with more updates. If you like this video, smash the like button. Let me know down in the comments below where you live, how cold it is. And if you enjoyed the video, please subscribe to the channel. It really helps out a small channel like this get pushed out to more people. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.